Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.